Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today the video is all about the solar plant that are installed freely by Andhra Pradesh government under the village Annamedu. So this village is located 10 kilometers from Naidupet Mandal. So here you can see here this is a 2 kilowatt plant installed in the village, and now let us try to have an road view and the side view how these plants are installed. In this village, you can see here every house is provided with free solar power under the scheme of PM Surya Ghar SCST 2 kilowatt free scheme. Every building and every house is freely installed with an 2 kilowatt plant, and due to this solar plant, the beauty of the buildings has been changed. You can see a building which is there at far distance is installed with 2 plus 2 with the 4 kilowatt plant, and every small house is provided freely a 2 kilowatt plant. So here you can see here the ambience is green and the green energy is also encouraged. So this is the pylon project implemented by Andhra Pradesh government in 2026, and you can see that complete building is very good for the installation of solar. Every house wherever the possibility is there for all the SC ST community people, the government has freely installed the plant. Here you can see here each individual house is installed with this 2 kilowatt plant, and the type of inverter here is a 2 kilowatt Energia inverter having AC DC boxes. So this is the overall view of the village, where we can see here an random combination of 2 kilowatt plants as well as with the 2 plus 2 4 kilowatt plant. So this is how the beauty of the village has been changed. Basically, these villages are very green in nature, and currently these buildings are with the green energy installed. So where I can call this as green buildings. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.